We're going to start going through the privileged motions one at a time, and the first one we're going to look at is the lowest ranking privileged motion, which is to call for the orders of the day. Now, I've always really liked this motion because it feels like it's really official. You stand up, the chair recognizes you, and you say, "I call for the orders of the day." But what does that actually mean? Well, a call for the orders of the day is a motion that is very useful in an organization that tends to get off track. We've all been in a meeting like that, where we get off the agenda, maybe there's no motion on the floor and everybody's just talking and everybody's wasting time, bringing up points that have been brought up before. Surely you've been in a meeting like that, and it can be really aggravating, especially if you don't know what to do. So what should you do? You should call for the orders of the day. What this motion does is it tells the chair, we're not on the agenda right now, and we need to get back to where we were on the agenda. And so it basically is a way for a meeting that's off track to get back on track. Now, one very special thing about the call for the orders of the day is that it can actually interrupt a speaker. And you can see why that might be. If a speaker is just talking and we're not on something that's not related to the agenda, you can actually interrupt the speaker, although it's usually not advisable to do that. It's usually more respectful to wait until they're done speaking. However, you can theoretically interrupt a speaker. So that's the call for the orders of the day. If you have a meeting that has an agenda and you're not on that agenda, you can call for the orders of the day to return to that agenda so that you can make a motion or return to the motion and get the meeting back on track. So just remember, if you're off track, call for the orders of the day. By the way, the call for the orders of the day does not require a vote because there's no reason to vote on it. You just go back to where the agenda was. If you'd like to take up something that's different than the agenda, in that case you would make a motion to suspend the rules, which will be a topic for another time. We'll see you next in Questions of Privilege.